Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Looks like we broke trend on the downside and we are creating fresh 4 hour candles, bullish candles. I think I'm calling it now. I think we're going back to 48,700 roughly around that area. Keep in mind we still have a really big trend here, right? Really big major trend on the downside right here. But I think we're going back to this area right there. And I think I can unless you have like some random ass dump from a whale. I'm pretty confident you're going back to like 48.7. And then after that breaks, obviously we go back to 52K. But even on the daily showing early signs, you guys can see that little red bubble, right? Early daily signs of a perfect buy entry technique. So today at 4 o'clock p.m. PST, you might see that trigger actually happen, and we're already moving to the upside, right? So you have a lot of room to run on the stochastic, and we're essentially getting a perfect bullish trigger or a perfect entry buy today at 4 o'clock, if this actually gets created. So as of right now, it does seem like we're breaking trend. Hopefully we stay on this trajectory, but I think as of right now we are going to 48.7. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.